I tell you guys what, this is like mouse fan heaven this week, right? We got new mice coming out left and right. I got new mice over there. I got new mice in my hair. I got a new mouse in my underwear as well. Pulsar Xlite V2. That's right. V2, updated, upgraded. Here's the specs and the dimensions if you haven't seen them before. Look at them on the screen, right? Let me go on and pull out my Xlite V1. Well, you can see here, a little bit different, right? The color, you got the full red on the side. They'll have multiple different colors as well. Looking at the bottom, I'm gonna let you look, right? You're probably gonna see some differences right out the gate. Now, I put these glass skates on the bottom. They're gonna come with PTFE feet ones, but you can get the replacement glass and another option I'm gonna show you here in a second. But the key difference I want to show you is right here on the back. You see how you got the plastic filled in here? Over here, it's empty. That is where the battery is placed now. Instead of up here in the front, kind of midsection a little bit, it's placed on the back. More importantly, looking at the side, not even just the cool red buttons, but how this is solid here and then your holes. Same on the other side. Now, as you see on my old Xlite, well, I got these grips on here, and if I go ahead and peel one back, you can see, yeah, there's holes going around all the sides of the entire mouse, which I personally don't like. Hence the reason I have grips on my V1. So at its core, that is what has changed. The battery replacement put right back here, and then the sides right there are covered. Let me tell you what, this thing is stinking solid. It's awesome how they do this with their products. Even going back to the V1, I praised it in my videos how stinking solid it is for not much really going on with it. Stinking phenomenal. I absolutely love it. It is so cozy. The shape is our EC clone right there, but now the smooth sides, yo, perfection. But more importantly, again, from the battery being moved from here in the middle to the back. As I stated in my standalone review of the V1, when does too light get too light? Put the V1 on there. Now, of course, I got those grips on here. We're getting 59.5. Again, grips on there. Now, looking at the new one right here, we're getting 60.4. So again, it's minute differences, pretty much the exact same. But the key thing here is the weight balancing, right? Now you got that weight up front, you got that weight in the back, and even though it's incredibly lightweight, right, it is perfectly balanced. And when you're playing with it, when you're flicking, when you're dipping, when you're just playing slower, even if you're just using it for work, right? It feels natural in the hand. It feels part of your hand. It's like a stinking glove. And that's where I compile all of the upgrades, again, with not having to put grips on it. Because before, I keep pulling out the V1. The V1, the grips would kind of scrape me on the side right there. Me personally, I hate holes on the side of my mice. I can't stand them. That's why I put grips on all of them right there, right? But this, I get that zowie feel. It's just butter smooth, it's crispy, it's balanced, and no matter what game I was playing, Halo competitive or anything like that, guys, no joke, it was perfect. And yes, that does also go into play with the glass skates right here. I use glass skates on all of my mice right now. My Zowies or whatever, I use the glass skates. I don't think I'll be able to go back. I stink and love them. Now, the cool thing about that is you can actually get a limited, yep, that's not the right one. This one over here, a limited edition they're gonna have, and I believe they're only making 1,000 of these, and yo, this thing is so cool, okay? So you're looking, you got like that army green with the black. Flipping it over, you got these glass skates where it says the Super Glide and the Xlite. Oh, mamma mia, that looks so good. Your cable over here is yellow, and then your dongle extender is green. Yo, I just think it just a combination, the contrast. Maybe if they made the buttons yellow, that would have been pretty stinking cool. But I love it. And the limited edition will come with the glass skates. The regular will come with PTFE. But again, you scoop up the glass skates and slap them on and you'll be good to go. Now, one other slight upgrade they did, and this one's very mild, guys, because it's almost not noticeable. They said they raised the scroll wheel up 1 millimeter. Now, when I come to the first one, I can pretty much roll my finger right onto it. When I come to the V2, I do feel it kind of stop my finger a little bit more. Again, guys, it's so mild, but again, I can roll my finger right here. This one, I kind of got to lift up a pinch. They also said they made the click a little softer. Let's go ahead and get a listen. Now, they said they made the click softer just on the scroll wheel, just so you know. V1. V2. Okay, so you can definitely feel it and actually hear the difference of the click on this scroll wheel now. Now, yes, they did also upgrade the price right here. It's going to be $5 more, coming in at 80 bucks. They stated that's not for anything that they changed, but for the price of sensors increase. And I don't know about that. I'm just letting you know what they told me. But yes, it's going to be $5 more, coming in at 80 bucks. The limited edition one I showed you with the glass skates and all that is going to be 95. But again, the core one right here will be 80 bucks. And yes, as you can tell, I highly recommend this mouse. I stinking love it. It really concludes and fixes the issues that I had with the V1 to this right now. And again, guys, you have to try this mouse. It is a stinking gem. Anyways, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this one. Hope I helped you out. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye now.